Should you use ChatGPT to create content for your business? Yes and no. I see so many posts about how you can use this prompt to get the best results with ChatGPT for your content, but be very careful. I would never use ChatGPT to create my content and just copy-paste it on social media or on my website if you're writing a blog post, for example. What ChatGPT gives you is just a text that has absolutely no personality. You cannot connect with your audience if you don't give a little bit of yourself in your content, and you will end up sounding like everybody else. If you want more quantity with ChatGPT, that's okay. You can have many different ideas, but don't use it to write your own content and just copy paste it. Always write your own content and then share it with the people who follow you, with your audience, so that they can connect with you and trust you, and then maybe become one of your best customers.